Meta shareholders have overwhelmingly rejected a proposal to add Bitcoin to the company's balance sheet, with just 0.08% voting in favor. The proposal, led by Bitcoin advocate Ethan Peck, argued that holding Bitcoin could hedge against inflation and preserve shareholder value. But with CEO Mark Zuckerberg controlling 61% of voting power, it's likely he voted against it. Despite backing from BlackRock and similar pushes at Amazon and Microsoft, big tech firms remain hesitant to follow Bitcoin treasury strategies like MicroStrategy's. Meanwhile, companies like GameStop and Swedish firm H100 have joined the growing list of public firms adding Bitcoin to their reserves. Michael Saylor's Bitcoin accumulation strategy has inspired a global wave of corporate adoption, with companies like Trump Media planning to raise $2.5 billion, GameStop allocating $500 million, and a new firm called 21 set to launch holding over 42,000 BTC. Yet, Wall Street's response has been cool. Trump Media and GameStop shares dropped over 20% and 17% respectively after the announcements. Saylor, now chairman of Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy, defends the model, calling it a long-term shift in corporate finance. His company's Bitcoin bet has surged its market cap to $80 billion, with over $60 billion in BTC holdings. Meanwhile, the US government under President Trump is embracing Bitcoin more aggressively. A new strategic Bitcoin reserve will hold over 200,000 BTC, and a full audit is underway. VP J.D. Vance also voiced support at the Bitcoin 2025 conference, signaling a new era for crypto in US policy. Despite skepticism, Saylor believes the growing diversity of Bitcoin holders, from media firms to governments, only strengthens the network's decentralization and trust. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon has criticized the idea of the United States holding Bitcoin as a strategic asset. Speaking at the Reagan National Economic Forum, Dimon argued that national stockpiles should prioritize military equipment and critical resources, like missiles, drones, and rare earth materials, over cryptocurrency. His remarks come in response to President Trump's executive order establishing a U.S. Bitcoin reserve, a move aimed at enhancing the country's economic resilience. Though early in development, the initiative has drawn significant attention alongside proposed legislation like the Bitcoin Act, introduced by Senator Cynthia Lummis. Despite his personal skepticism, Dimon acknowledged market realities. JP Morgan recently began allowing clients to buy Bitcoin, a notable shift for a CEO who once dismissed the asset outright. While he remains wary of Bitcoin's long-term utility for national strategy, Dimon's comments reflect growing tension between traditional security priorities and Bitcoin's expanding role in mainstream finance. Elon Musk has quietly launched XChat, a new encrypted messaging service on his social media platform X, formerly Twitter, drawing widespread buzz from the crypto community. Designed with end-to-end encryption and decentralization in mind, XChat borrows from the privacy ethos of Bitcoin, aiming to offer censorship-resistant, peer-to-peer communication. Powered by the Signal protocol, XChat ensures that even X Corp cannot read users' messages. But Musk is going a step further, hinting at a broader decentralized framework that mirrors blockchain ideals. Crypto enthusiasts were quick to speculate. Could this pave the way for crypto payments via XChat? Mentions of Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and potential Web3 integrations surged across the platform. With other X features already in place, like peer-to-peer payments, live streaming, and monetization, XChat seems to be one more building block in Musk's push to make X the American WeChat. Though no official crypto integrations have been announced yet, The launch strengthens the view that Musk is inching closer to merging social media with crypto infrastructure, one encrypted message at a time. Michael Saylor, co-founder of Strategy, has once again teased an upcoming Bitcoin purchase, continuing the company's aggressive accumulation streak. With a cryptic post featuring a BTC chart and the phrase, "Orange is my preferred color," Saylor marked 8 consecutive weeks of BTC buys. Strategy's most recent acquisition of 4,020 BTC, worth around $427 million, brings its total holdings to a staggering 580,250 BTC, making it the largest known Bitcoin holder globally, even surpassing the combined BTC reserves of the US and Chinese governments. While the firm's bold Treasury strategy is praised for potentially influencing market dynamics and triggering a Bitcoin supply shock, it has also drawn criticism. Some investors are questioning the lack of proof of reserve audits, raising doubts about the company's actual holdings. Saylor defends the decision, stating that such audits could expose wallets to privacy and security risks, particularly for large institutions. Despite skepticism, Strategy's identity as a Bitcoin powerhouse continues to grow, with many market watchers viewing its stock as a proxy for Bitcoin exposure.